Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn Coinbase rewards. So let's get started. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the portfolio option right here. Then scroll down and here you can find the option of referrals. Now you can see invite your friends and earn 30% of all fees generated. Now from referring a friend, you can simply earn rewards from the Coinbase app. Now tap onto the refer a friend option right here. Then you can simply copy the link and you can send it to a friend. And after sending it to the friend will open the app using your link and you can simply get the reward. And that's it. This is how you can get reward on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.